Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Confirm the Ioniq Plug-In Hybrid uses a 12V auxiliary battery and not the high-voltage traction pack before you start. Put both cars in park, set parking brakes, and turn off accessories like lights and climate. Keep clear of orange high-voltage cables and never connect to them. Inspect the 12V terminals for corrosion, clean if needed with a brush. Wear gloves and eye protection. Keep metal tools away from terminals. Position the donor vehicle so cables reach comfortably without crossing or tension. Open the hood and locate the 12V auxiliary battery or designated positive jump terminal identified by a red cover. Attach the red clamp to the Ioniq 12V positive terminal or designated terminal post, then attach the other red clamp to the donor vehicle 12V positive terminal. Attach the donor black clamp to the donor negative terminal. Attach the final black clamp to an unpainted metal chassis ground on the Ioniq, away from the battery and fuel systems. Do not connect to orange wiring or the high-voltage system. Start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 60 seconds so the donor alternator can supply charge to the Ioniq 12V system. Attempt to start the Hyundai Ioniq. If systems power up, wait for normal dashboard status and then shut off the donor if desired. Remove clamps in reverse order. Ioniq ground clamp first, donor negative next, donor positive next, and Ioniq positive last. After successful start, drive for 15 minutes or plug in to recharge the 12V battery. Replace the battery if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.